Merry Christmas, you guys. This is an early Christmas present from my wife, and I have back pain, so she thought I might use this. And I've seen other people say good things about these inversion tables that flip you upside down by your ankles. I don't know. Anyway, it's worth a shot. Let's set it up. Might throw your back out, just set the thing up. Wow, look at that. I've done enough things. I know to look at the book first. Ain't no fool. I'm sure these are some pretty high quality tools. Hey, at least they gave me a set, right? This is the Extreme Product Group. All nuts and bolts and washers pre-assembled in their appropriate holes. That's kind of nice. So you just disconnect the screw, assemble, and put the screw back in. There we go. Let's see what's in this box. Shiny bits. This must be the AC adapter. I don't know that I'll use this function. This must be the thing that holds your feet. It's pretty substantial. Actually, I don't think this goes here. I think it goes down here. Because the next step is for the handle, and I think the handle's going here. We'll see. I had to take my sweatshirt off putting this thing together. It's making me hot. I really should go get a good wrench. This little bugger goes right here in the 20-degree hole. I think this is how far you can tip back at a time, like 20, 40, 60 degrees. I think that's what it is. There's the pin coming through, so it's blocking this from going down. Attach the headrest pad to the headrest bracket. So you can see what they do. They put the screws in and then you have to take them out and then assemble it. So It's kind of nice, but it's kind of extra work too, especially when you got these long screws. Holy smokes. I should get my drill out. That should work. We'll leave it there for now. Getting there. Okay, now I have to put the foot thing together. So it involves this giant piece. Oh, look at that, gear shift. Oh. Okay, here's where the shiny bits come in. Then you use a cap here. We just have to do it again. Let's see what they say. Yeah, I got that correct. Alright, I think it's ready to put on the machine. Look at that shiny plastic, holy smokes. Yeah. I don't know, is this feet? 6 feet? A little over 6 feet. Okay, now it's wanting to go back upright. That's a good thing. Finally I can latch this thing down. I don't like it floating in the breeze. Where are you? I want the blood to rush to my head. Yeah. I just don't want anything falling apart on me when I'm upside down. That'd be bad. So that just holds that from flying open. It's almost time to put the blood to her head. Here's that heating pad thing and massage. So it comes with a power supply. Look here. Yeah, it looks good, right? Alright, let's get it installed. The heating pad's supposed to go down here along your whole back. And then the straps exit through these holes, but we find that it's not comfortable there, so we just put it across like it is. Kind of hits you in the arch of your back this way. So that's fine. There's a little pocket on the side of the heater to put the remote in. This thing's kind of janky. That little pin sits in these holes and it squeezes your feet in there, basically, your ankles. Stretch. There we go. So, how does it feel? Well, once you go to a certain point, it starts pulling on your spine and you can feel it just stretching you. And it actually feels kind of weird because, well, you're not used to it, but you don't have to do it for very long, I've noticed. Just kind of get it stretched out, you know, you don't have to sit here for an hour, nothing like that, just a few minutes. And it seems to pull you apart. to relieve nerve pressure. And this is only like the third day I've had this, but I think it's helping a bit. I'll keep you posted, but I just kind of do this, and it also kind of works your arms a little bit too. Yeah, it's a little uncomfortable with your blood in your head, but it really does pull on your spine. Now, if this is long-term going to be good for me, I don't know. But like I said, I'll keep you posted. Anyway, cool gift. Thank you, honey. If you want to store it away for a period of time, you can fold it up by pulling that pin and then collapsing it flat, and then use the rollers to roll it to a corner or under a bed or something. There we go, got the pin in. And then we should be able to wheel it. Yeah. And then we could pull that bar out if we wanted to slide it under a bed or something. So to set it up, lift it up, pull out the pin, put it back in. There we go. Yeah, if you want to see how I made that, I'll leave the link in the description, or I'll put a card up for it. You can click it. Let's turn the light off on it. So yeah, this was a really fun project, easy to do. So if you have a CNC machine, I recommend designing one and making it. I'm sorry I don't have the files to share with you. They accidentally got deleted. Well, thanks for watching. Happy holiday to you and your family. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.